Okay. Just count my money, man. This is just what I win. Okay? This is just the day's spending, man. You just work this out. This is what I'm doing for you. You got time, okay? While I pack this shit in, you just work out. You think to yourself, how much is that, Fitty? Like, seriously, how much is that? Okay? You know what I'm saying? You just work that out. You just be like, how much is that? You know? You just work that out. You see, I got like my mama's crib here. I got my grandmama's crib here. I got like my own crib here over the 20s, you know what I'm saying? This is what this is, man. Just work it out. You just work this shit right out. Yeah. Fucking that's the shit, man. Get my face in there, man. Yeah. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Anyway. Damn, now they know it's in the HSV. Oh well, I'll just move it after we stop filming.